Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to fix an interesting iPhone related problem. When you try to delete a contact in your phone application contact section, if you're facing this error that says not all contacts were deleted, one or more of the contacts may be read-only, then you're left with no option to delete that contact. So in this episode, we are going to see the 3 possible reasons why you are seeing this error and how to fix them. For some users, the third method, which I'm going to discuss about WhatsApp contacts synchronization, that could actually help. So directly you can navigate to the third solution, and only if it didn't work, then you can come back to the first method, and then you can understand why it happens initially. So the very first thing is, if you have used social media applications to sync your contact, like previously we had like Facebook, Twitter contact importing options. So if you were using iPhone for a long time, and if you have imported such contacts with the social media application sync feature, then your contact permission might be set to read only. So there in the phone application contact section on the top left corner, you can see the groups option if you have multiple contact sources added to your iPhone. For example, in settings application, when you navigate to contact section, you can see the accounts tab. As of iOS 15, this is the path to navigate to the accounts contact section. Here you can add multiple sources to add contacts actually. So you can even add card DAV files if you want to move files from Google Contacts or any other Outlook application, and you have exported all those contacts as a card DAV file, VCF file or something, then you can use these features to import and store the contacts, and these groups will automatically appear to show that apart from iCloud, you have multiple sources of contacts added as accounts to your contacts book. Selecting multiple contact sources could also give duplicate contacts issue, so do check that out. And the second important thing that you have to understand is, if you were using feature phone and if you have stored all your contacts in your SIM card, then you have to use the import SIM contacts feature that is present in settings contact section, because maintaining the same SIM card contacts will not be useful nowadays, because it is better to move all your contacts to iCloud and keep everything at one place. Even Gmail contacts have sometimes sync issue when you try to add new contacts. Many people have in web forums you can see that have raised the issue that the recently added contacts haven't uploaded to the Google Contact server. In Android, it works wonderfully, but with iPhone, I did hear about such errors. So try to use iCloud, and when you move to Android in future, you can port everything to Google Contacts without any issue. So import all your SIM contacts. That's important. And the third important thing is, if you have recently bought iPhone and recently started using WhatsApp, and when you receive a text message, when we normally receive a message in WhatsApp, we try to add the contact directly from the WhatsApp. So when you do that, automatically this field will be created, social profile that Siri found in WhatsApp, and the name of the person. If there is a different name over there and different name with your contacts book, you can see those details in that particular section. So this shows this contact have been synced from the social application like WhatsApp. So there, when I try to delete that particular contact, I got an error that says not all contacts were deleted, one or more of the contacts may be read only. So the solution to the problem is pretty simple. If you are using WhatsApp and you encounter this error, all you have to do is go to WhatsApp or any other chat application that you were using to create that contact, and then in order to copy that number, always you can straight away copy that number and then put it in the phone application contact section. So to delete that, you have to delete the contact within WhatsApp application. If you're using Viber or any other chat application, then navigate through that contact section and then try to delete it. As you can see, the contact has been removed from my contacts book, but still Siri suggestions feature is turned on in my iPhone, so it have fetched that there is a matching contact for the search I have made in my contacts book. I can of course give don't suggest this contact to completely remove it, but over the period of time, Siri automatically learns and removes it from the search result. So to prevent this sort of problems, it is better to use just the contacts book and add any contact, simply copy paste the WhatsApp number. I know it is a little bit extra step, but if you are confused and if you don't want to prevent this sort of error from happening, the solution how to fix it. But still, if you want to do it as an extra step, you can manually copy and paste the contacts by adding the plus symbol and within the phone application. So when you add it like that, when you delete the contact, you can see without any error message, the contact gets deleted. So I hope these 3 reasons and fixes helped you to delete that contact that was so adamant and not getting deleted. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks. Have a wonderful day.